Hi everyone, this is my dad's boat. It's going to be called the Denominator.
Okay, Googie. Up.
Is it safe? Is that all you need for?
Yeah. I need to extend around these bits. So now I've got the whole outside of this part and I'll just splint it with that. And I have to make sure that this is the bottom that goes into there. So I cut back all of these high ones, so now it's a lot closer to the right size. 5mm oversized now. This is how I centered the top to the bottom skin, and I've staggered it 105 here and it's approximately 80mm on the side. So that's what the curve's going to be. And then if I run a laser from here to that, I'm out. I'm not center, so the center is off a little bit. It's probably gonna creep off about 30mm, I reckon, over that distance, which I'm not real happy about, but I don't think you'll be able to pick that up. But you can see all the different lines I've got here. Because I had to extend the sheet, I didn't have it perfectly straight. It took me ages just to get it as good as what it is now. Anyway, I've got to flip it over and then shoot a laser from this edge to that edge, so then I can like make a approximate shape. I'm probably gonna have to pull this out and hack that back as well. But I need this to transition in nicely. It's gonna curve kind of like that. I'm only using this instead of that. Oh, it's way too hard to explain for me, sorry. That is how far it's out. Only approximately 25mm or 1 inch over 2 meters. So that's not going to be noticeable. So I just screwed this little piece of fiberglass or basalt cloth to a curve that kind of looks like it's blending in. Now I'm just drawing a shape. I'm just going to freehand it and then I'll just double it to that. I'll probably make a stencil of the curve here, so then it's the exact same curve over that side. See how she goes. So I got it pretty symmetrical. The hard part is getting this angle the same as this angle. And I think I've got it very close, but I've been shaping pieces of foam to see how it goes. Like I've just ended up letting go of some screws and stuff to make them both symmetrical. I'm eyeing it up at the moment, but I've got to do stuff now, so I made a little bit of progress today. break it. Yes! I've got to do it upside down so it gets the right curve that I want. It'll be obvious if this works after I've installed it. I'm making it so the staples will come out easy. Damn it, I don't think I made the piece big enough. It's alright, it'll maybe work. Oh man. Oh, yep. I think it looks better in video than it does in real life. You can see it's pretty wonky, but that should give me the formwork to do some creative bogging. I was really hoping it was gonna sag nice and uniformly like that. I might have been better off trying to stick the flat part of the bottom on first, but that would have been really difficult. Maybe if I like flipped it over and all that jazz, it might have helped, but I don't know if anything I did then would have worked out good. But I was hoping it would sag like that. Should be fine. I think I'll be able to use it. I'm just going to wait for it to get hard enough to trim with a Stanley knife, clean it up like that, pull out all my staples, which I put in really easy to get out. See, I've just made them like that, so I can just pull them out, because everything wanted to fall. I'm not feeling really good about this idea. I've cut out all the really poopy bits. I'll waste a little bit more resin on this idea, and if it doesn't work, I've got another idea. Okay, I just touched everything up where I cut out the chunks. It looks a lot nicer. I'm still gonna have to bog, but I think it'll work. I didn't want to make a stencil and then make thin fiberglass that would bend around the corner because I didn't want the sharp edge. In hindsight, I probably should have done that and then just bogged, but I'm hoping that I've got a bit of a radius like that around the whole thing. Look what I did, bub. Yeah.